Ready to prepare a meal that is amazing and, of course, tasty in your own kitchen? Well, here at Acai Guy Cooks, we have a great recipe for you to prepare with Szechuan Peppercorn Shrimp. So let's get started. Let's make the sauce. Let's check the flavor. And it's perfect. Time to cook the ramen. Let's steam the green beans. Fresh cut green beans are best. Szechuan peppercorns have its roots in China's Szechuan region. They later spread into Nepal, Bhutan, Tibet, and Japan. After a renewed interest in Szechuan peppercorns, Western chefs and home cooks in 2005 used them in their Asian infusion dishes. They are known for a lemony floral aroma with hints of pine and spice, with signature numbing heat. Let's build the dish. Feel free to use your favorite bell peppers. Medium shrimp work best for this recipe. Ensure everything comes together. And the dish is ready. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Let's plate it up. Add a portion of ramen noodles. And of course, this amazing Szechuan Peppercorn Shrimp. Topped with chopped green onions. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's have a bite. Wow, the shrimp are juicy and tender, and the red bell peppers and crisp green beans tossed in that spicy Szechuan sauce delivers the perfect balance of spice, tang, and umami flavor. You, your guests, friends, and family will absolutely love it. Leave a question or comment below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Now that's a great dish you can cook at home. Stay with us, watch the next videos.